folks, I hope you all are doing great. You're watching Need Equation. Today's video is going to be very interesting as I'm gonna talk about how to earn money online. Yes, you heard that right. We all want to earn money and possibly expect the money to come to us with least possible effort. So here we are. With just a computer and an internet connection, you are all set to earn money. Wait a second, I'm not going to cover the topics which are illegal like phishing, hacking, and all the fun stuff that you have seen in the movie Die Hard Zero. So without bringing any other pop culture reference, I'm going to start the video. Now, I do understand that I'm not on a face cam video, so you can put a face on this voice. And without wasting any further time, let's begin. So before I go ahead, please go ahead and subscribe and press the bell icon for notification of this channel. The first way to earn money is through affiliate marketing. Now, what is an affiliate marketing? It is basically a program that digital platforms who are like providing or selling a product online will make you an indirect source of promoting their product and earning commission out of that product if someone buys the product. Now, how this works, I'm going to take a very simple example of the website or the organization called Amazon. We all are familiar with the term Amazon and how huge Jeff Bezos has made it. Now, when you go to Amazon, there is something called affiliate program. Now, it's a very huge topic and I'm not going to cover that in this one single video. So I just will tell you about the basics of how Amazon provides the affiliate program and how you can earn money from that. Now, from Amazon, you will get a product link the moment you register as an affiliate. When you get the link, you will use your own social networking sources like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, you name it, and share this over the internet. Now, if any of the product gets sold through your sources using that affiliate link, then you will earn commission from Amazon. Now, every product has a different percentage of commission that you'll be getting, and I'm going to cover that on a separate video where I will talk about affiliate marketing only. The next way you can earn money from is called blogging. We all heard that term called blog. So blog is nothing but you can consider that as your own website or your online journal where you can share your personal life, or else you can do a movie review, or else do a gadget review, or you can share any information you're good with or any crap you want to. Now, how you're going to earn money from a blog? For example, on your blog, you have done a movie review, and in that movie review, people are coming to watch, which is generating traffic. So again, traffic are nothing but your online customers who is getting the information they need to know from your blog. Now, if your blog is interesting, then people will come and they will gonna read your stuff. And you can also place an affiliate link which is relevant to your blog. As if you have reviewed a gadget recently, iPhone 11, and people like your review, people trust your website, and there's an affiliate marketing link where you have mentioned that if you want to buy, you can go there and buy it. If a customer, or you can say if a viewer clicks on that link and buy the product, then you'll get certain commission from that affiliate link. Then what will happen every time the people come to your website to look for the information? Traffic gets generated. So traffic is a kind of a virtual customer and your website is the shop. So more the traffic is, more you'll be able to sell your products through your website. The next one is very interesting and a daunting one, which is freelancing. You can say that it's a virtual office where you will be an employee and there will be a medium or a platform through which the employer will be communicating through you. I'm going to take an example of a very popular freelancing platform, which is the freelancer.com. Now, what will happen? freelancer will provide a contract. Now, the contract can be like editing a video, or let's take example, this video. I'm from Freelancer and I want some hands on this one to make the video on my behalf. And I tell them that I'm gonna pay you $10 per hour. So let the bid begin. After that, if I like someone's bid, which is allowing me to give him the least money and work him more, then of course he's gonna got this contract. Once you get this contract, you need to finish this job just like you have promised, and you will get your money. So sounds daunting, but not impossible. The next one is earn money through ads. Now in this world, every company cannot go door to door to promote their product. So they come up with advertisements, or in short, ads. Those ads can be of a car, a movie trailer, or a beauty product, or a biscuit, tea, coffee, you name it, and a very most popular Google product, which is AdSense, which is responsible for promoting products on behalf of their organization. Now, how this works is AdSense will use your website or use your virtual media and put advertisement for the organization. Now, again, the traffic will be produced in your website, and the moment they will see a movie trailer ad is coming on in between a movie review, they're gonna watch the trailer till end. And what will happen? Google AdSense will earn money from the production house of that movie trailer and will share a commission with you. So again, for every trailer, for every advertisement, the share will be totally different. Next one, who doesn't know about YouTube? We all come to YouTube in hope of earning money. And this is daunting as well, but not impossible. This is the one single platform where you can collate all of your knowledge of digital marketing and make sure one single platform manages all. One platform to rule them all. I'm sorry, another pop culture reference, but we are getting to the end of the video, so yeah. Here, you can use your affiliate marketing link. For example, I'm using a headset of Plantronics. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give my gear name over there along with the link. So if anyone likes my video, then he can go ahead and click on that link and buy this headset from Amazon. Now Amazon will calculate the commission that I'm supposed to get, and I get paid. Google AdSense. So YouTube has a term called monetization, and many of us come to YouTube in hope of YouTube getting us paid, but this is not that easy. You need to have 1,000 subscribers as well as 4,000 watch hours. After that, your YouTube channel gets monetized, and Google AdSense will start putting ads on your video, and every time when traffic is generated and he clicks that ad, you get paid. Now, every ad has a different percentage of commission, so we'll talk about that in the next video. Blogging, if you're willing to promote your website, then you can come on YouTube. You can let the people know that, hey, I have a website and I have a lot of crap to share. So there you go. That's the end of the video, guys. I hope you all have enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to watch the latest video first. Thank you.